Jai Hind, guys. Happy Diwali to all of you. May this festival brings your light in your life and happiness in your family. Happy Diwali. Let's start. Today we will complete important current affairs of 20 and 21 October in this single video. So, let's start. So, first current affair is State Mining Readiness Index 25. Which state has secured the top rank in the mineral rich category? So, according to State Mining Readiness Index, the state which has secured the top rank in the mineral rich category, that is Madhya Pradesh. So, Madhya Pradesh became the first or top rank in the mineral rich category. Then Rajasthan, then third Gujarat. So, it is under the Ministry of Finance. It categorized under three categories: category A, category B, and category C. So, according to first category, mineral rich state criteria, category B, moderately endowed state, and category C, low endowment states. So, in category 1, that is category A, MP rank first, category B, Goa rank first, and category C, Punjab rank first. So, what is the criteria? Auction performance, early mine operationalization, exploration of thrust, and sustainable mining practices. These are the four criteria of this ranking. Next question. World Statistic Day celebrated on 20 October. Its theme is driving change with the quality statistics and data for everyone. So National Statistics Day is celebrated on 29 June. World Statistics Day 20 October. National 29 June. South Asian Athletics Championship that will be held in 24 to 26 October. Its mascot is Dalma, the elephant. Taftan volcano has erupted in Iran. President of ASSOCHAM, that is Association of Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India, became Nirmal Kumar Minda. Nirmal Kumar Minda became the president of ASSOCHAM. So we talk about Association of Chambers of Commerce Industry of India. It was established on 1920. Its headquarters in New Delhi. 11th Indian International Science Festival will be celebrated in Chandigarh. Its theme is Vigyan se Samriddhi for Atmanirbhar Bharat. It was first held in New Delhi. All India Institute of Ayurveda 9th Foundation Day will be celebrated on 10 October 2015. First celebrated on 10 October 2015. Its headquarters in New Delhi under the Ministry of Health. Its director is Pradeep Kumar Prajapati. World Summit on Social Development will be held in Doha, Qatar. First summit, Copenhagen Declaration, that was held in Copenhagen. We Rise initiative launched by Niti Aayog for Women Entrepreneurship Development. Women Entrepreneurship Platform launched in 2018. New Deputy CM of Gujarat became Harsh Sanghai. So, Deputy CM of Gujarat. So, current CM of Gujarat, that is Chief Minister Bhupendra Bhai Patel. If we talk about Rajya Sabha seat of Gujarat, 11 seats, Lok Sabha seat, 26 seats, and Legislative Assembly seats, 182. Global Asia Power Ranking, what is the rank of India for Air Force in the world? That is 6th. According to the Global Air Power Ranking, India's rank 6th in all over the world. First rank goes to USA Air Force, second goes to USA Navy Force, and third goes to Russian Air Force. And 6th rank is India. Markanda River is in news due to National Green Tribunal has noticed the Haryana and Himachal Pradesh government to take a report on Markanda River pollution report. So, Markanda River located in Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. It is a tributary of Ghaggar River and its old name is Aruna. It's 90 km around. Okay, located in Himachal and Haryana. IFA Shield title 25 goes to Mohan Bagwan Super Giant. It's a football tournament. So IFA Shield title goes to Mohan Bagan Super Giant. So it was established on 1893. Its organization Indian Football Association. It was held in West Bengal, Kolkata, and its headquarters is also located in West Bengal, Kolkata. There are 2 cups in this, that is Traders Cup and Durand Cup, and also FA Shield title in football. IUCN 19th member state became Tuvalu. Tuvalu country. IUCN 19th member of state became Tuvalu. The State of Finance for Forest 2025 report launched by UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Program. State of Finance for Forest 2025 report. Rincon de la Villa volcano erupted in Costa Rica. Rincon de la Villa volcano erupted in Costa Rica. 13th Sultan Johor Cup, which medal did India won? That is silver medal. So first medal won by Australia, and that is gold medal won by Australia, and second medal, that is silver, won by India, and third won by, that is bronze, won by Great Britain. It was established in 2011. Its total participant team is 8. Sita Pahal initiative to counter the deep fake and enhance Aadhaar card authentication has been launched by. To enhance the Aadhaar card authentication and to control the deep fake technology, Sita initiative has been launched by UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India. Identification Authority of India, it was established on 2016 January, and it is under the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. Hyundai India first Indian MD and CEO became Tarun Gupta. Hyundai is a car company. Its first Indian MD and CEO became Tarun Gupta. Kolam tribe is in news due to the government has launched the bamboo plantation project for entrepreneurship or developing employment in these tribes. So Kolam Adivasi tribe located in Telangana. It is a particular vulnerable tribe group. It is also found in Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Kolam Adivasi tribe, Telangana. Now guys, moving to some MCQ. The European Union new strategic agenda adopted on 20 October 2025 with India emphasizes cooperation in which of the following field that is technology, connectivity, trade, security and global governance. The Kapas Kranti mission launched by the Government of India is aimed at which of the following, that is promoting long staple cotton cultivation with scientific techniques. According to the RBI October 2025 bulletin, what is the status of Indian economy that is resilient with easing inflation but moderate FDI inflows? What does Muhurat trading refer to in the context of Indian stock market, that is a special one-hour trading session on Diwali to mark the new Hindu financial year? Which organization forecasted a spike in air pollution around 21 October 2025 in a major India cities during Diwali? That is IITM, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. The pen-down strike decided by the Nagaland Service Board is likely to affect all government services in Nagaland. So guys, we have completed an important current affair of 20 and 21 October. In this video, we have covered facts and MCQ. Today, we just covered facts and MCQ. From tomorrow, we will continue with static GK. So, I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. Support the channel, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please take care.